Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love your bike, whether it's a daily commuter, an expensive e-bike, or your weekend adventure ride, you already know that one of the biggest fears is walking outside, and it's simply gone. A thief doesn't need more than 5 seconds to walk away with your bike, whether it's a $120 commuter, a $600 mountain bike, or a $2,000 e-bike. Every year, millions of bikes are stolen because riders rely on locks alone, and the shocking truth is that even heavy locks can be cut, picked, or bypassed. Bike theft happens in seconds, and most locks are not enough. That's why today, we're diving into the top 5 best bike alarm systems, solutions that don't just lock your bike, but actually scream for attention when thieves try anything, and some even alert you from a distance. These smart systems can seriously change the game and protect your investment, so make sure you watch until the end to see which one delivers the most value and the strongest real-world protection. Also, before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I post honest, real-world gear reviews every week. And if you want to find the best deals on any of the alarms I mentioned today, you'll find links right down in the description. Drop a comment as we go and tell me which alarm you think would protect your bike the best. I love hearing your thoughts. Starting at number 5, the ONVIAN wireless bike alarm delivers a loud 115 decibel siren that triggers instantly when vibration or motion is detected, and it includes a wireless remote control that can operate within a range of up to 66 feet. The alarm features 7 different sensitivity levels, so you can adjust it to avoid false triggers, and it has a waterproof shell-rated IP55, which protects it from rain and harsh outdoor conditions. The device is powered by replaceable 8AA batteries, giving you up to 6 months of battery life depending on use and environmental temperature. What makes this alarm stand out is its slim profile and simple installation, fitting easily on bike frames, seat posts, handlebar tubes, or even scooter bodies, and the remote control keychain means you can disarm it from across the parking lot, so it is ideal for commuters, college students, and anyone parking in public spaces regularly. The only downside is that it doesn't include a mounting bracket and relies on adhesive pads or zip ties, but at this price point it is still surprisingly effective. Moving on to number 4, the Bike Alarms for Ebikes 2-pack delivers 2 wireless anti-theft units, each equipped with a 115 decibel siren and adjustable motion sensing technology that detects vibration and tampering from multiple angles. Each unit includes a dedicated remote with a 66-foot wireless range that supports arming, disarming, bell ringing for locating your bike, and emergency panic sound. The devices are constructed with an IP55 waterproof rating, making them weather-resistant for outdoor use in rain and dust. And they feature 7 adjustable sensitivity levels, from light touch to strong movement. These alarms stand out because you get 2 separate devices in one box, which allows you to secure 2 bikes or place a secondary alarm on a single electric bike, creating a layered security system that most thieves do not expect. The remote design is basic and the alarm tones aren't customizable, but having 2 systems in one purchase makes it more than worth it. At number 3, the Cruxer Bike Alarm USB Rechargeable model delivers a powerful 115 decibel siren, a remote control unit that provides a 66-foot wireless operating distance, and a 7-level sensitivity adjustment that prevents accidental triggering while still detecting unwanted motion. Unlike battery-powered models, this alarm uses a rechargeable internal lithium battery charged via USB, which gives you up to 3 to 6 months of standby time per charge depending on climate and frequency of use. It is built with IP55 water-resistant housing and includes a mounting bracket designed to install on bike frames, under seats, or scooter stems without complicated hardware. The standout feature here is the convenience of USB charging, eliminating the need for ongoing battery replacement and saving long-term cost, making it ideal for urban commuters, delivery riders, or anyone who wants reliability without recurring maintenance. The mounting bracket is straightforward, but the alarm body is a bit larger than other models. However, its rechargeable nature makes it well worth choosing. Coming in at number 2, the WSDCAM anti-theft bike alarm features a piercing 113 decibel alert level that activates when vibration or unauthorized movement is detected, and it offers a remote control that works up to 66 feet for arming, disarming, and triggering a bike locating warning beep. The system delivers 7 adjustable sensitivity modes, so you can tune it precisely to your environment, and it has an IP55 waterproof rating to withstand rain and dirt while riding or parking outdoors. This model includes a dedicated mounting bracket and durable band straps, making installation more secure than adhesive-only units and ideal for e-bikes, motorcycles, scooters, or outdoor sport bikes. What makes it stand out is its practical combination of loudness, easy installation, and a reliable mount that stays put during rough rides, making it a great option for trail riders or cyclists who leave their bikes parked overnight. The remote design feels slightly less premium, but its performance and mounting system make it more than worth it. Finally, at number 1, the WSDCAM bike alarm with remote 2-pack includes 2 full 113 decibel siren units, 2 wireless remotes with 66-foot range, and a vibration-triggered motion sensor with 7 precise sensitivity levels. Each alarm is IP55 water-resistant and supports the same key bike, locating beep, arming and disarming functions, and long-lasting battery performance using replaceable cells that can run for several months. This bundle includes mounting brackets for each unit, making it functional for dual bike households, couples, or riders who want to protect a frame and a wheel simultaneously. The standout feature is the sheer value and flexibility because you can protect 2 separate bikes or build a 2-point security system on one, creating a theft deterrent that makes thieves leave immediately. The only drawback is that the alarm tone is not customizable, but the 2-pack security coverage makes it absolutely worth owning. And that wraps up our breakdown of the best bike alarm systems available today. Hopefully this helped you figure out which alarm fits your lifestyle, whether you need something ultra loud to scare off thieves or a smart option that gives you peace of mind while you're away. If you're serious about protecting your bike, make sure you check out the links in the description. I've included the updated prices, current deals, and the exact models we talked about so you can grab them without wasting time searching. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future reviews. I cover real gear, real results, and real protection for people who take their equipment seriously. Also, I really want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which alarm you'd trust for your bike, or if you already use one, share your experience so the whole community can benefit. Thanks for watching, ride safe, protect your bike, and I'll see you in the next one.